come take a tour of the Hyatt Zilara Rose Hall here in Jamaica.
So the resort consists of two resorts, an adults only and a family resort. Right now we're in the Ziva, the family resort. There are several restaurant and dining options, several pools, there's a spa, two spas, there's a gym, there's a lot of yoga classes.
Another thing that's pretty cool here is that there's tons of water sports. There's a catamaran you can take out, there's stand-up paddleboarding, kayaking, and all that is included in your fee. Going sailing, let's go!
It's a good day today.
So we're just touring on this beautiful day, showing you the Hyatt Ziva and Zilara in Jamaica. It's luxury and adults on one side and family and fun on the other. And we have one of these reserved today. We are at Sweet Bites Deli today, and we're going to be tasting some chocolate with Walter. There he is, right there. Walter and the Hyatt Jamaica sport the Granville All Ages School by selling handmade chocolates at events and to guests. A large portion of the proceeds will go to the students, and these works of art will be auctioned off for charity.
Jerk spiced chocolate with spiced rum. Wow, that is a great pairing, let me tell you. Wow.
If you are looking for a romantic escape to Jamaica, the Hyatt Zilara Rose Hall offers enough luxury and romance for couples who are looking to escape and relax.